Eh, nakabidyo na kayo, ma. Wow! Si mother, naka-bathing suit. Ayun na pala si father eh. Umano na eh. Ay pa. Layo eh. Pwede ba i-zoom to? Ayun, pwede pala i-zoom. Dito kami ngayon sa La Maria Country Club House para mag-swimming. Apo nga eh. Wala lang, birthday daw kasi ni Paul kaya swimming. Wow! Naka-videohan. Wow, kasi two-piece. Ito yung ating clubhouse dito sa La Maria. Maayos naman eh.
Okay. Parang unggoy na nakawala sa gubat.
Tara, ligo tayo.
Okay, splash. TJ, this is the pool. See? When you come home, you can go swimming here.
Very nice, ha?
No one else here, so we kind of own the place. So, this is our cottage. There. We went from there. Actually, much higher than that. There pa. Go down. There. Papa, langoy ka naman! That, Papa. Parang 2 minutes na kailangan niya,
I-YouTube naman natin. Ayan, kita-kita sila. Hello.
Mahirap to nature map. Pool na to.
Hindi nakalabas eh. Oh, go.
That's...
Okay.
Ano ba to? Dito ano?
4 feet lang.
4 feet. Pahumanda ka. Hihilain kita.
Yan muna at maliligo muna kami. Very nice.